and follow after me. I state your name. Of SDO Baguio City Parent Teachers Association. Having been elected to the position of your position. Do hereby solemnly swear. That I will faithfully discharge. To the best of my ability. The duties of my present position. And I will abide by the guidelines governing the FPTA. And such issuances by the Department of Education. That I will obey all legal orders. Promulgated by duly constituted authorities. And that I